This video describes all of the settings in Othello.
The play Othello begins on a warm Venetian night in a street.
Scene 2 takes place the next morning on a street near the army headquarters.
Following scene takes place in a council chamber.
Act 2 begins in Cyprus by the seashore where boats fill the harbor.
Scene takes place on a bright street in Cyprus where a party was taking place.
Following the street party, Act 2, Scene 3 takes place in the Grand Castle Hall.
Act 3 has now begun on the castle ground where music was being played.
Act 2 is when Othello inspects the army's fort.
Scene 3 takes place in many settings. It begins in the castle's garden.
It then takes place in a large castle room.
The following scene takes place in front of the castle.
Act 4 begins on the castle's ground.
Next scene takes place in a large room of the castle.
The next scene starts in another room and leads to Othello's bedchamber.
The following scene takes place at dusk in the streets.
The final fatal scene is in Othello's room, and this is the end of the story.